We're going to Ikea! We're going to Ikea! We're going to Ikea! There's all this hype about Ikea. Everybody talks about how great it is. I've heard there's a roller coaster there. I don't even know. Whatever. But we've never been. So today we are going to Ikea. Alright! We're here! Ah! Look at it, isn't it beautiful? I don't think a roller coaster can fit in there. There's a room of lights, but I'm really excited for the lights. My mom has told me of the lights. Oh, that should be good. How do you feel?
I'm feeling great.
Fine for your convenience.
We're not forward.
Nice.
I don't get it. You can shift automatically between 7 different colors or select one at a time. Now, what is this for?
Is this what it's like in Sweden? That is efficiency. That is efficiency.
At its best. Like, look at this. Oh, what did you tell me? Are you supposed to be like bones? What's the put on there right there? What is that?
Testicles.
But it's a back film. So you gotta like that. It's a back sleeper. Back sleeper. Okay, do you believe that? Back sleeper. Side sleeper.
The right
Thing.
I have always wanted one of these.
Why not?
Oh! Oh, you hang them on the wall. And
That's
you
weird.
hang stuff on his
Ass.
But your light. It. Oh my god. This is epic. Epic.
My eyes kind of hurt.
This sign says all beef hot dog. And in the corner over here, with the little asterisk, it informs you that that is not actual size. So just in case you thought you were gonna get a hot dog that big for 50 cents, you're wrong. Heard that one of the most epic parts about coming to Ikea is the food. You have to get the Swedish meatball. Alright, so we are at the end of the Ikea trip, and came to find there was no roller coaster.
No. The prices are really good.
Prices definitely are not as bad as everyone
Like, it's not
made them
$1
out to
million
be.
for
Right.
a toothbrush.
A lot of their appliances are really cheap. Good meatballs. Good meatballs. It's good experience. Good experience.